All right, I'm at the bottom of Schnebly Hill Road in Sedona again this morning. So I'm gonna check out Munds Wagon, see if I can ride that. But either way, I'm just gonna keep going up Schnebly Hill Road until I get tired. Holy sh**. Oh. Whew. That thing was cruising too. Oh, big loose rocks. Oh. I gotta cross again. Just going back and forth. Going back into the water again. Oh, so we crossed it just to go right back across the other way again. Oh, jeez. Oh, not another water crossing. GoPro decided to start doing GoPro things and froze on me. As you can see, I switched over to the road here now. Just gonna take this the rest of the way up. So I've actually done this entire road on my gravel bike before. It was awesome riding down this on my gravel bike and passing all of the Jeeps. There was a couple groups of people cheering me on. Ooh, do they still have the gate closed to motorized traffic? Yeah. Don't have to worry about any more Jeeps after this then. Another plus of riding the road instead of the trail. You get so much better views like that. Oh, and that wind is brutal. Woo. Still some little patches of snow left up here. Looks like a waterfall coming up here. I hope it's not across the road. I don't know if I can get across that. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna risk trying to cross this one today. I decided I'm just gonna take the road the whole way down. I don't feel like dealing with those water crossings again. And then that just gives me an excuse to come back and do this again when I can ride the full trail. Back to the gate. Yeah, this is a little smoother than on the gravel bike, but it's definitely still pretty rough even on the hardtail. See if we catch any Jeeps. Oh, speaking of, Oh! Now I got mud splattered all over my goggles. Good times. Into the chunk. And my hands are getting tired. Let's take a break here. Yeah, I just stopped here for a quick second and there's a waterfall next to me. Lots of traffic now. All right, there's the end.